How much, Shelly, baby?
That's my second mom. Y'all already know it.
Alrighty. Ooh. Yes, ma'am.
Ooh.
Yes, crystal glass.
Crystal
the real
shot
ones,
glass
okay?
is
Yeah,
real.
yeah. It's the real shot glass ones, yeah. No fake ones. That is it. Big Tiffany and Company. Thank you, sister.
You're welcome. Hey guys, this is another day in the vlog. So, y'all know my mom is traveling, so annually she travels and I would always buy her stuff. So these are some of the things that I purchased for her to just lounge around when she get where she's going at. Would y'all believe this beautiful dress came from Walmart? This was $9. So we got to go a little bit fast because I don't have much time on this SD card. So I got her some leggings that looks like pants. She can wear them as pants. These was like $5. So cute. So on the other ones, I'm not going to talk. So I'll just do a B-roll of everything. Let me just take them off the hangers. So I did get some stuff from Walmart and I got some stuff from Dollar Tree. I did pick up some stuff for my nieces as well. So I'll show you them as I put them in here. So I'm thinking I'll do one side for my mom and I'll do the other side for my nieces and nephews. So these are from Walmart. Sorry, Dollar Tree. I got it. This portable fan. I'm gonna take everything out of the boxes. I got it 2 power bank. Oh, I got a charger. I got it this portable fan. It has like a lantern. Some soap. I got this towel. This was like $3 in Walmart. I got a lotion. Let me just see. I got it. Like this was. These was $5. I think these was like $20. My mom don't like to wear black, but it's like a Walmart had all of the Nike. So cute, right? So I get her this nice bag. She can put all this stuff in there. She go like to the market. I got another charger. This is her favorite toothpaste. I'm gonna let her try this. This is really good. And then this toothbrush, it gently whites your teeth. So these two will go good together. I got her deodorant. Got her some cough drops. Okay. So I'm starting my nieces and nephews side. I got these. Walmart has these cute little tops for little girls. I think these was like $3 or $5.98. Some of them are like $3. Like these prints are so cute. I don't want to unravel them, but these are so cute for $5.98. Then they have these cute little pants. This was for $4. Walmart has some cute stuff. These was marked down for $4 as well. My little nieces are so much into Lilo and Stitch, so I got one each for each of them. Like, so cute, right? They're gonna be like so cute this summer. I mean every summer, but you know, these comes in a pack of 2 for I think $3, $5. But even though that it's not bad, they have these. See, these are the ones for $2.90 something cents. Like, so nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take them off out of the bags and just put them in these suitcases. Look at this cute little pants for my little nephew. This is so cute. So yeah, I just throw the hangers away. Like, so cute, right? Like 2 for $5. That's not bad. This is my little nephew. I got a lot of sets for him. Like, he can wear this like this. So cute. You can wear this like this. Looks so nice. You can wear this with this. I just try to match them up together, you know. So cute, right? For my little niece. I have a few more. I didn't show y'all these. Walmart have these. And they're so good as well.